Hello and welcome to today's class. In this class we are going to talk about targeting on Facebook, and I'm going to show you how to use Audience Insights tool in order to build your perfect targeting. So let's go.
Let's open our Audience Insights on Facebook and take a look. You can open your Audience Insights from your Ads Manager. Just go to your main menu, scroll down, and here you must have Audience Insights. Let's open it up. Right on your start screen, you have two options. Choose an audience to start, everyone on Facebook or people connected to your page. It's actually up to you what to choose. If at this stage you are not sure about who to target on Facebook, I would recommend to choose the first option, everyone on Facebook. So let's see what we have here. On our left, we have different filters which we can use to define our targeting. Those filters are demographic, geographic, and psychographic segmentations. We don't have behavior filter right here. Then on our main screen, we can get an idea about potential reach for those specific characteristics. As you can see, here is a number of people which we can reach with these current filters right now. We don't really have anything specific. We just have United States here by default and all the ages that live right now in United States. So it's about 200 million people which we can reach on Facebook. Then we have 4 tabs which we can take a look at. First tab that we have is demographic. Here we can see that most of the people who live in United States are between ages 25 up to 34. It's not really accurate for United States in general, but it's accurate for Facebook. It means that most of the people who use Facebook are in this age group. Also, we can see that most of the people who use Facebook are women. Then we can have an idea about their relationship status and education. If we're going to scroll down, we can see their job titles. Those are the most popular job titles on Facebook. So let's just click here on selected audience. That will allow us to filter it out from the biggest one to the smallest one. Then if we go to the second tab, page likes, we will get an idea about top categories which people are follow. For food category, we have Oreo page here, and for shopping and retail, we have a Groupon. And you can use this to your advantage. For example, if you are selling something in food category and you're not sure what pages are the most popular for your audience, so you can choose and you can use it to your advantage. For example, if you are selling a product in food category, and you can use it, and you can use it to your advantage. For example, if you are selling any product in food industry, and you can use it for your advantage. For example, if you are selling a specific product in food category and you're not sure what to choose for your targeting interest, you can always target those pages that are related to food category like Oreo or Coca-Cola, as you can see here underneath food and beverage category. The next thing that you can find in this tab are the most popular pages that everyone follows. In our case, those are everyone who lives in US from 18 and older. So the first relevant page is Oreo, but if we're going to filter it out by amount of followers, just by clicking on Facebook, we will see 3.9 million. It's the lowest following page. And if we're going to click one more time, the most popular page is Walmart. And then on the second place is Amazon with 23.8 million followers. So in case you're wondering what is the most popular page in US, those are the pages that you're looking for. Let's see the next tab, The next tab is location. So if you're not sure which state to target in United States, you can filter it out by amount of audience. Just by clicking on select audience, you can see that New York area has definitely more people in it. Then there is Los Angeles, Texas, and so on. So those are the most popular cities in United States. And you can even get an idea about languages in United States. Let's filter them out as well. So English obviously on the first place, and Spanish is on the second place. So 7% of Facebook users in the United States are actually speaking Spanish. You can use it to your advantage and run ads both in English and Spanish. The next tab that we're going to look at is Activity tab. I find it as a very interesting tab with a lot of information that we can use. First thing here is frequency of activities. You can see that a lot of people are actually clicking on ads on Facebook, and most of them are liking posts. It's not really information that you can use in your advantage while running ads, but it's a good thing to know that people are actually active on Facebook. The next thing that is very interesting here, and you can use it in your targeting, is devices. As for devices, you can see that most people who live in the United States use mobile for their Facebook, while both iPhone and Android are equally popular. So those are the things that you can learn by using Audience Insights tool on Facebook.